Welcome back, everyone. Today's tutorial is all about bringing your Power BI reports to life by adding clickable URLs directly into your matrix visual. If you've ever wanted your users to instantly access product pages, documentation, or any helpful resource straight from your dashboards, you're in the right place. By the end, you'll know exactly how to integrate links into your visuals and make your reports interactive and practical, even if you're just starting out with Power BI Desktop. Let's jump right in and start by making those URLs clickable. First off, head over to the table view in Power BI Desktop. Imagine you've got a table of products and tucked inside a column called Product URL. Now we want to ensure Power BI treats that column as a set of links, not just plain text. Go ahead and click on the Product URL column to select it. At the top, you'll find the column Tools ribbon. Here's the crucial part: set the data category to Web URL. What you're telling Power BI is, hey, treat this data as a web link, not just a string of characters. This is super important because without this step, Power BI won't recognize the column as something users can click to open a web page. If you ever wondered why some links just look like plain text, this is usually the reason. Next, let's build the matrix visual itself. Click Insert and choose Matrix Visual. Now you'll organize your data inside, add category and product to the rows. These will help break down your data and make it easy for viewers to see details at a glance. For values, let's toss in sales so you're showing useful info right alongside those links. Here's a gentle tip. If your dataset's bigger, don't worry if the matrix looks a bit empty at first. You can always adjust your fields as you go. Here's the fun part: drag your product URL column into the matrix, placing it in Values or Tooltip. Which one you pick depends on how you want users to interact. Values mean the link displays alongside other data, while Tooltip puts it behind a hover-over info bubble. When you've set this up, Power BI will automatically turn those addresses into clickable links. If your formatting's on point, you should see blue hyperlinks that are easy to spot, or depending on settings, neat little icons that invite clicks. Now let's up the professionalism a notch. Instead of showing long, messy URLs, you can display an elegant icon, like a little globe that signals to users, hey, there's a link here. To do this, jump over to the Format pane within your matrix visual. Find the Values section and flip on the URL icon toggle. This might take a second to locate, but it's worth it. Instantly, all those URLs are replaced with crisp globe icons. It looks clean, saves space, and really helps your report shine. Plus, users can click the icon to open the link in their browser, keeping everything user-friendly. At this point, you can demo how it works. Pick any of the clickable URLs or globe icons and click Power BI will open the linked product page right in your web browser. This feature gets even more powerful if you use it in a dashboard for linking to things like SharePoint files, company websites, product catalogs, or even help documentation. You're taking your dashboard from just static data to an interactive tool that guides users exactly where they need to go. This small dataset is the perfect way to experiment and practice. As a beginner, you'll get comfortable working with web links and visuals, plus understand how useful interactivity can be in real-world reporting. And that's how you add clickable URLs to a matrix in Power BI. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a like, drop your questions or tips in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss more beginner-friendly Power BI tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy reporting.